Hey everyone, I'm here again to share with you some details about our Spandex chair and table cover options. The Economy 200 GSM, made of 90% polyester, 10% spandex blend, we offer the best quality, low-cost chair cover in the market. Is our best priced spandex cover for occasional rental use. If you are looking to save money while getting the look you desire, the 200 GSM is the way to go. This chair cover can stand up to repeated events, can be washed and used again and again. We recommend the 200 GSM for smaller rental companies with less volume, or if you're looking to get a custom color for a special occasion. They are great for baby showers, banquet events, weddings, corporate, quinceaneras, and all types of parties. You can check our website where we've created a graphic diagram showing the differences in our chair cover styles. These heavy-duty covers feature stain-resistant and wrinkle-resistant properties that make them the perfect choice for indoor and outdoor events.